We are pleased to be leading in this project to revise and enhance the declining population in East St. Louis, Illinois. East St. Louis is currently declining at a rate of 5.10% annually, and its population has decreased by 39.65% since the most recent census, which recorded the population of 26,359 in year 2020. East St. Louis was once a bustling industrial center. Like many cities in the Rust Belt, East St. Louis was severely affected by the loss of jobs due to the industrial restrictions during the second half of the 20th century. As a number of local factories began to close because of change in the industry, the railroad and meatpacking industry also were cutting back and moving jobs out of the region. This led to precipitous loss of work and middle-class jobs. The city's financial conditions deteriorated. More businesses closed as workers left the area to seek jobs in other regions. The more established white workers had an easier time to gain jobs in other localities, and the city population became increasingly black. We are looking to bring all this back into the city by building an entertainment and food truck park. This will create job opportunities and places to go for leisure time. I've already taken some steps to make this happen. I've bought nearly an acre of commercial land, and I am working with the city to make this idea come to life. With the building engineer's evaluation, the estimated total cost to make this idea live will cost $100,000. This includes the building cost and getting everything completed to meet market standards. But we cannot do this alone. We need your support to make this a reality and make East St. Louis a bustling city again with an uptick in population. Be a part of a grassroots campaign with a contribution. Any denomination is appreciated, and all contributions will be honored in the Entertainment Food Park Lobby. Please watch this concept video so you can see exactly what we plan to accomplish. Thank you so much.